Hey everyone, okay, so today's video, I've got some amazing holiday sets. The holidays are coming, holiday sets are coming, and I've got some beautiful ones for you. So let's make a start. Okay, so if you are ready for some of the most amazing, and I mean this, products from Eve Lom this holiday season, well, I've got you covered. You are so welcome. Now, if you use the code WAYNE20, you'll get 20% off, and I'm going to leave the code on the screen. It'll also be in the description bar. Let's jump in. Okay, so we're going to start with Eve Lom. Now, how pretty is this? This is the 12 Days of Holiday Magic in the Eve Lom 2024 Advent Calendar. Plus, we've got the award winner set, which features 6 Eve Lom products with an amazing award-winning pedigree here. So let's just jump in and I'm going to show you the insides. So, award winners set. Now this is £125, but it's actually worth £192.28. So let's take a look. First up, we've got the iconic cleanser and the muslin cloth. And as you know, and this is 100% true, I've been using this for over 20 years, 100%. It is the first step to radiant skin, a 5-in-1 cleanser balm. And it's made with that signature blend of aromatic oils, removes makeup, it cleanses, it hydrates, it tones, it exfoliates. It's just the most amazing thing. And when paired with the muslin cloth, it is just amazing. So number 2 is the Rescue Mask. Now this is made with honey infused kaolin clay, which is used to purify and condition the skin, while also there's some ground almonds which gently exfoliate the skin, which just reveal a brighter complexion. Now you can use this 1 or 2 times a week, and you just gently wipe it off with that muslin cloth. Now, this is the thing with this product. So I bought the cleanser all those many years ago. Then I bought this mask. Trust me, it is amazing. It really is. It gives the skin this level of brightness that you quite literally have to try it in order to understand it. But it is phenomenal. Those two combined are truly quite epic. So number 3 is the Radiance Repair Retinol Serum. Now this serum uses a sophisticated combination of wrinkle-fighting liposome, hope I said that right, encapsulated retinol. And it's got this really cool microbiome rebalancing prebiotic oat kernel ferment, which is basically a really beautiful way to prevent and protect the skin against all the multiple signs of aging. Now, I know that that's a lot of blurb, so what does it mean? To me, it means that this is a super gentle, kind, effective retinol serum which does not irritate the skin, and it just leaves it looking and feeling supple. It is really lovely. Next up, Renewal Treatment Oil. I love an oil. You know I love an oil. Nourishes, hydrates, it's lightweight, it's luxurious. The blend of these high-performing botanical extracts and actives which are designed to lock in moisture. They make your fine lines look smooth, visibly brighten the skin, and it's good for all skin types. As I said, I love an oil. I really love an oil. I use it at night. It just sinks in and the glow is unreal. I cannot stress how much of a big Eve Lom fan I am. I think you probably know. And we've got the Moisture Cream, which is this weightless, brimming, and I mean brimming, with protective antioxidants, and it has this really advanced anti-aging hyaluronic acid. We all know what that is, but it instantly plumps the skin, and it just delivers like a long-lasting hydration and a really kind of healthy, dewy, not oily complexion. And it's basically the final step. So once you've applied it, you will understand why everybody who uses Eve Lom talks about the Eve Lom glow. So now let's take a look at the amazing, this is so pretty, calendar. Now this is a limited time exclusive set. It has all the Eve Lom bestsellers all in one single place. Now firstly, this retails for £225, but the value here is £442.49. I know. So let's be honest, how pretty is this? How ultra luxe is this? You got the numbered doors, it's pretty. So let's take a look inside. So in here, you actually have 6 full-size products and 6 mini products. So you've pretty much got everything you need to pamper yourself this holiday season. It is beautiful. So let's just pick some days. So day 1, we've got the cleansing balm. Hello, lover. Day 7, the gorgeous daily rejuvenating cream. Don't mind if I do. Thank you very much. Day 6, Kiss Mix. Yes, please. Okay, day 12, we've got the Radiance Repair Retinol Serum. Hello, clear glowing skin. So these are some of the most amazing sets that I have seen from Eve Lom. And they do amazing sets, but this is the perfect holiday season. Again, it's been on the screen the whole time. Don't forget to use code WAYNE20, 20% off. Joys, joys, joys. Okay, next up, look at this beautiful set. Now this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is absolutely gorgeous. So what we've got in here is we've got these gorgeous, gorgeous lips, gorgeous cheeks, gorgeous lips, complexion, perfection. So let me just show some of the swatches, show some of the colors, because it is so pretty. It's funny with makeup, we tend to get stuck in a rut, but lipstick is such a great place because we can change up our lipstick so simply, so easily. It's a great way of doing it. So the lipsticks here, these are the long-lasting ones, but they feel really, really nice and kind to the lips. Then we've got these amazing hybrid products, which is just this blurring serum blush, which gives the skin this flush. It's really, really pretty. And of course, I love a lip liner. And I mean, I love a lip liner. I'm a 90s guy. I just love it. Gorgeous lip liners, finishing it off with a touch of gloss. This is a pretty set. Come on. This is a pretty, pretty set. And finally, this is so nice. Now, you all know I love an LED mask. Now, this is from StylPro, which is a wavelength LED face mask. It also comes with a ton of research to back up its claims. It's really, really good. Now, this mask not only comes with your standard anti-aging, it comes with a host of all other colors and wavelengths so that you're able to treat multiple skin conditions. Now, you all know I do my skincare. I don't do injectables. I don't do any of that stuff. I do my skincare and I wear an LED mask every single day. That's what I do. This is such a great one. It's fun. It's easy to wear. It's comfortable. It's just loverly. It is loverly. Perfect little sets. You see, this is perfect little holiday season sets. And there you go. That is my little sets that I've got here. I love them. Don't forget, use the code. It's in the description bar and get 20% off this gorgeous, gorgeous sets for Eve Lom. We've got this beautiful LED mask from StylPro, and then there's the Anastasia Beverly Hills here. There's a lot of stuff here. So thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.